Hey, got a townhome here I want to show you in Sun City Anthem, Henderson, Nevada. Let's flip the camera around and check it out. All right, I have yet to do a tour of the townhomes here in Sun City Anthem. There aren't that many in comparison to the, 7,000 homes here in the community. These are 2 bedrooms. You got a 2-car garage, a patio space, and then that wall is like the demarcation mark. That's where the connection is. So the bedroom here connects to the garage on that side, and then I believe it would be their kitchen. It's flipped, so their kitchen and public space is there versus the bedrooms is on the far side. So everyone knows the story. One take, we walk through. No fancy schmancy stuff. Just as if you and I were walking together. So 2-bedroom, 1,300 square feet, townhome, Sun City Anthem. And you know I love Sun City Anthem. A lot to do here in this 55+ community. Tons of clubs, pool, indoor, outdoor, tons of different, multiple clubhouses as well. So this has been refinished. You have the floors are redone, luxury vinyl, kind of like a light oak color is the tone. And I'm standing here in the corner, straight from the front door. This would be the living room. TV would be there. This corner here, you'd have a chair or couch sticking out, and this would be your whole living room area with the TV on that spot. It's a nice natural light. This is the east, so you're gonna have the morning light coming in. And look at this, kitchen's fabulous. All new cabinets, countertops. I love this color. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a blue-green kind of color. But it goes great with the backsplash color as well. So I guess we'll start here in the corner, just work our way back out into the kitchen. So this could be additional pantry space or just some storage for the laundry, and then you have your actual pantry right here. Note the soft close. And so you have your laundry area as you walk in from your 2-car garage. You have your fridge. It's a side by side. Still new, still got the paperwork in there. Here's our fridge. All these cabinets appear to be new, soft close. You got the pegs, pick how you want it structured. All electric. More common in townhomes and condos and duplexes as you have the shared space. Deep sink. You got it cut out already for an RO system. Should you want to install one. And then Frigidaire, brand new. It's all Frigidaire. Here's the backyard. Open space. Nice green grass. All the way straight through. I do believe the community maintains the grass throughout this strip. It'd be a hard expectation to see that cut at different levels at each unit. When you do get your HOA documents, when you buy a house, all that is laid out. So even if I just helped a client buy a house here last week, I still really couldn't speak intelligently on the rules, because between now and then, there could have been a meeting and they changed the rules. So one thing I always stress to people, no matter if you know somebody there in a community or you hear a rumor that this is or is not allowed, go to the source. So the bylaws are going to tell you what the rules are and what is covered and what isn't. And, you know, it's a duplex. Is the roof covered? I don't know. Let's see how it's laid out. You know, grounds maintenance, is it just the front or is it the back also? All that's kind of laid out in your bylaws. So I love when they do the builder does a little cutout area here. It just buys you that extra, whatever this is, 10, 12 square feet. Just enough to slip a chair in or a couch, build a banquette. Then we got this glass mirror in. I did want to show you. This is deep. This is, you know, good 5 feet deep. Typically, you know, you stop about here and it goes that much further. So you get this extra hanging space here and there in the primary. There's your light. Couldn't find the light. It's on the outside. So there's your closet. Spacious too. For sure can fit a king with some side tables. Here's your bathroom. It does have a grab bar. And you have your 2 sinks. Low profile shower. And a grab bar here. Both down below and up front. Nice new fixture as well. Here's a convenient extra space for storage and coats and stuff, kind of towards the front. And then the second bathroom is the shared bathroom, and then the bathroom for the second bedroom. 1 sink, standard bathtub shower. And then the last bedroom, 2 of 2. You can see the natural lights coming in on this side. So this is this bedroom's facing west. There you have it. So easy living, move-in ready, Sun City Anthem. This is a very typical example of what you could find. Townhome, smaller sizes, definitely on the smaller end of what's available in Sun City Anthem. There's a house or two kind of in the same area as these townhomes that are a little bit smaller. You can get as low as, I want to say, right around 1,000 or 1,100 square feet. So though these are townhomes and you have a shared wall, they are a little bit bigger than the smallest of houses, but still in the lower end of size and price, getting you in. And you get to use all the amenities of the community. So I appreciate you guys joining me on this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next.